If your CapCut audio is not working, cutting out, lagging, or stuttering, this video will show you the quickest fixes step by step. Whether your entire track is silent or the sound is only glitching on playback, the solution is usually a simple setting, a volume control, or a cache issue. So, in the next few minutes, I'll walk you through exactly what to check inside CapCut and on your computer so you can get your audio working again fast. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes and CapCut tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, let's fix the most common issue, which is no playback sound. The first thing you want to check is the master mute on your timeline. On the far left side of the track, you should see a speaker icon. If that speaker icon is muted, the entire track will stay silent no matter what else you do. Click it once to make sure the track is unmuted. This is one of the easiest things to miss, especially if you are working on a big project and have been moving clips around for a while. Next, check the clip volume itself. Click the clip you want to hear, then go to the top right panel and open Audio, then Basic. Here, look for the volume slider. If it is all the way down or set too low, your audio may seem broken even though the clip is fine. Make sure the volume is set to 0.0 dB or higher. If you need the clip louder, you can raise it a little, but start by confirming it's not muted or accidentally lowered. After that, check your Windows volume mixer if you are on a PC. Sometimes CapCut is not muted inside the app, but Windows has muted it separately. Right-click the speaker icon in the taskbar at the bottom of your screen, then choose Volume Mixer. In the mixer, look for CapCut and make sure its volume is turned up and not muted. This can instantly fix situations where every other app plays sound, normally, but CapCut stays silent. Now let's move on to the second problem, which is audio cutting out, lagging, or stuttering during playback. When CapCut starts behaving like this, it is often caused by cached files building up over time. The fastest fix is to wipe the local cache. Inside CapCut, go to Menu, then Settings, and look for the trash can icon next to Cache Size. Click it to clear the cache. This is safe because it removes temporary files, not your project itself. A lot of people worry they will lose their edits, but clearing cache is just a maintenance step that helps CapCut run smoother. Once the cache is removed, restart CapCut and test the audio again. In many cases, this alone fixes laggy playback, weird audio drops, and stuttering caused by overloaded temporary data. If the problem is still there, make sure you are testing the correct track in the correct clip. Sometimes, editors accidentally mute one layer while another layer is still active, or they are previewing a section that has no audio on it. Zoom in on the timeline. Check each audio layer and confirm that the sound file is actually present where you expect it to be. It is always worth double-checking before assuming the software is broken. Another useful habit is to close other heavy apps while editing. If your computer is under pressure from too many programs at once, CapCut may struggle to play audio smoothly. Even if your project is simple, system strain can cause glitchy playback. Closing extra browser tabs, games, or background apps can help CapCut focus on rendering your timeline properly. Also, if your project has multiple clips, try playing a different section of the timeline. This helps you figure out whether the issue is global or limited to one specific file. If only one clip is stuttering, that file may be corrupted or encoded differently. If the whole project is affected, then it is more likely a cache, mute, or system resource issue. At this point, you should have checked the main causes of CapCut audio problems: track mute, clip volume, Windows volume mixer, and local cache. These are the fastest and most effective places to start, and they solve a lot of audio issues without needing any advanced troubleshooting. In most cases, one of these fixes will restore normal sound immediately. If this video helped you fix your CapCut audio issue, please give it a like, and subscribe for more quick tutorials, editing tips, and software troubleshooting guides. It really helps the channel grow, and it lets you find more easy fixes like this in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.